Hello everyone, my name is Camila. I am a master's student from Uruguay and I'm going to present you part of my work titled Male Spiders Choose to Produce Worthless Gifts Under Sperm Competition. First, I'd like to introduce you the spider Paratrechalea ornata, which belongs to the family Trechaleidae and distributes in South America, particularly in Argentina, Uruguay, and Brazil. Males of this spider court females by offering nuptial gifts, which can be nutritive, wrapping in silk a fresh prey, or worthless, as they can wrap prey leftovers or even plant parts. Males are plastic for these mating tactics, being able of producing each gift type according to the context. Females are polyandrous and accept matings with males offering either a nutritive or a worthless gift. In this behavior, sexual selection through mate competition may play a relevant role on modulating the gift type produced by males. Males may choose to offer a nutritious item or an inedible one according to their competition context. And in polyandrous species, as this spider, given that females mate multiple times before producing the exact, mating competition is composed by pre-copulatory competition and post-copulatory competition. So male decision in gift production may depend on the number of competitor males in relation to available females in order to succeed at achieving matings. Or this mating decision can also be influenced by female mating history, choosing the tactic that favors the male under each sperm competition scenario. We created a setup of controlled prey availability and exposed males to court females into 3 experimental groups. Pre-copulatory competition group exposed males to unmated females in the presence of a competitor male. Post-copulatory competition group exposed males to females that were already mated in the absence of a competitor male. And the no competition group acted as a control with males exposed to unmated females in the absence of a competitor male. We examined the probability of producing worthless gifts according to the competition context. We found that post-copulatory competition increased the probability of males to produce worthless gifts. Pre-copulatory competition had no significant effect over the gift type produced. Here we can see in gray the proportion of worthless gifts and how it increases in the post-copulatory competition group. Also, mating duration was affected by the interaction between the competition treatment and gift type. When competition was absent, as we already knew, mating duration was similar for both gift types. But under competition, nutritive gifts showed a tendency to increase the mating duration, while worthless gifts to decrease it. And it was statistically significant for post-copulatory competition group. Our findings show that males' mating tactics are affected by sexual selection pressures in the population. Interestingly, males increase their production of worthless gifts under high post-copulatory competition, while at the same time, this mating tactic is related to a reduction in mating duration and therefore sperm transfer. We note that females increase their fecundity by receiving nutritive gifts. So females under mating competition, and more precisely females that were already mated, may be counteracting the deceiving by increasing mating duration with males offering nutritive gifts. I'd like to thank the financial organizations, particularly the Animal Behavior Society, for also organizing this virtual meeting, and of course you all for seeing this presentation. Thank you.